Day after tomorrow, right here at WIR, is Doc's Harley Shootout. So there's like an exhaust pipe or something on the track, so they're going to go up there and... Dino Darrell in the left lane going up against Shovel Chain. And check it out, ladies and gentlemen, in tough enough style, Shovel Chain with a big smoky burnout past the Christmas tree. Dino Darrell doing the same thing. Both of those guys taking lessons from yours truly. The super big long burnout king, Puppy Note. Mustang, put your hands up, make some noise, do something. How many people think it's going to be the Chevy 2 in the right lane? Shovel Chain doing it bumper dragon style. Here we go. Two of the big names on WisconsinStreetDominators.com. You got to go to the website and check these guys out, the smack talking they do between each other. It's awesome. Plus, you get to find out what's coming up at the next Real Street Drags, August 25th. These guys will be setting races up. It's all on the line for tonight, though. Lights coming out.